So hi guys, how are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening at whatever time you're watching this particular video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Chukuna. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you my routine, my weekend routine. Okay, I've just woken up, even my voice can tell. Nimeamka tu saizi, it's on a Saturday. Right now it's 7:45, it's almost 8 a.m. I want to show you my weekend routine. Okay, for now I have a help mwenye anakujanga a day scholar, anakujanga asubuhi, jioni anaenda home. But on Saturday hakujangi because my husband doesn't work on Saturday and we doesn't also work on Sunday. So on Saturday and Sunday hakujangi. So I want to show you my routine with the help and without a help. So today is on a Saturday, as I have said. So I want to prepare some breakfast, wash the dishes before I go to work, wash some clothes, my beddings. You know, on Saturday ndo nafuanga my beddings because yes, nakuanga na mamafua nakujanga kunifulia, but some things like towels, my bras, bed sheets, hizo hafuangi, hizo mimi ndo najifulia. So yeah, so I said that on TikTok and people are like, oh my god, what huko wamewaka. So, and if you have not followed me on TikTok, please do. It's just Grace Juguna also, and also on Instagram it's Grace Juguna. Please go and follow me and I will appreciate.
Caught in someone's orbit, turning upside down. Gravity is spinning me the whole way around. I could use some deeper roots and solid ground. Moving forward, back and forth, just get me out. I am not afraid of what's inside of me, only scared of what is just beyond my reach. And I've got a feeling that that's you, baby. Seasons change and rearrange our chemistry. So far, so close. Take a breath, inhale, exhale, and count to 3. I'm not colorblind to all these falling leaves, but we've gotta choose how this is gonna be. And I'd wanna stay if it was up to me. Sorry if I wasn't your dream come true. You've gotta do whatever you've gotta do, but someone on the other end is hurting too. And maybe this is winter and our spring is coming soon. We can wait it out and weather every storm, but I can tell you're hungry for something more. So you don't have to keep your feet trapped on this floor, but I hope you love me enough that you don't slam the door. I can count the hours that we've both been through, and if you find another one to give that to, no hate on the stable love I thought I knew. Seasons change and rearrange, and so do you. So far, so close. We pull and we push. Don't let me go. If we can be good, don't always know when goodbye's gonna be. The seasons change, and so do we.
Been waking up feeling low, You're on my mind like all of the time, but you're so despicable. Been seeing what you've been sharing online, and I miss your good parts. Then remember that you were a thorn in my side. I know I'll be fine if you stay on your side of town. No, I don't wanna see you around. Why don't you stay on your side of town? We might be cool someday, but not right now. Oh, bitch, don't bother me. Done with your negativity. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Bitch, don't bother me. You aren't worth the energy. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Like where I'm headed now. Gave me some space, I'm finding my pace. Then I spot you in a crowd. Almost didn't recognize your face, and I knew the day would come. I'd see you out, but a girl can hope and pray that you'll just go away. If you stay on your side of town, no, I don't wanna see you around. Why don't you stay on your side of town? We might be cool someday, but not right now. Oh, bitch, don't bother me. Done with your negativity. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Bitch, don't bother me. You aren't worth the energy. I may not know what love is, but all I know is this ain't it. Clever, now I'm feeling better. Even though I know that this feeling won't last forever, I tapped into a space, I found my escape that I can come back to anytime I want. Just for a moment I can put this down. Just for a moment drown these voices out. Yeah, slow burn, mind is a world away. And I'm not gonna come back for anyone else, and I don't wanna come down and be by myself. Slow burn, stay here and watch the flame. Now I'm focusing on all.
So I am done, everything is clean, the house is clean. So I'm just gonna go and shower and go to work. I know it's almost 1, let me check. Yes, it's almost 1 p.m. but the good thing is that I'm leaving my house clean, everything clean, my beddings, my everything. Hata nikirudi jioni sitakuwa na any sijui kuanza kuosha vyombo, sijui nini. Now just come and start cooking. And my people, nimewaachia food, let me show you. So hapa kuna ndoma, hapa kuna chai, hapa kuna ngwashe, hapa kuna hizi chakula my baby alikuwa amebakisha jana. Nilikuwa nimemfurahia hizi ndoma kwa sababu hawezi kula kama hazijafurahiwa na hajamaliza. And then hapa kuna mchele, na hapa kuna stew ya nyama na mandizi na spinach. So yeah, na hapa kuna maziwa, wakitaka maziwa, wakitaka whatever they feel like taking, everything is there. So nawaachianga food, naachanga kama hakuna lunch, kama ziko zimebaki sapa, na make sure nimepika asubuhi ndo ninawaachia chakula. So yeah, so let me shower. As I'm showering, my phone is charged, and then I'll be good to go. So the weather today, it's kulikuwa kumeanza ku some zinaitwaje, manyunyu, kulikuwa kumeanza some manyunyu, but the weather it's good. And I was planning of putting on off shoulder. Niko na off shoulder ya nilinunuanga like 3 months ago. Is it 3 or 2 months ago? Nilinunua kitambo na sijaiva. I want to start wearing them. I've never worn an off shoulder, sijaiva. Nichekeleeni, sijaiva off shoulder since I was born, ama since I started dressing myself. Unajua kitambo tulikuwa tuna I'm done. I was tended to put on this one. Nimevaa hiyo shoulder nikaona I'm not used to this. So nikaitoa. I wish ningekuja nionyeshe, but this is my outfit. I hope you can see me. You can see me. So I just have a hivyo. Ninakaa hivyo. I love this top. So I love fancy tops. Yani top ziko na madoido. So these are the shoes. So let me put them on. Guys, I'll also take you to work if possible, but if not, just forgive me. You know I haven't this bra. Nimevaa that I have a strapless bra, but inaonyeshana like it is cream in color, white cream. So inaonekana iko ndani. So nikaamua kuvaa hii dark color at least, but the strap I just nitazisongeza tu huko. So yeah, if I'll take you to work, it's okay. If I'll not, we'll meet tomorrow. I will also do my routine on Sunday, so see you tomorrow.
All my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. All my problems and doubts, I'm gonna figure them out. At another time, this moment is mine, this moment is mine. If I remember to breathe, then just let it be. It's part of the design, it's okay.
I have arrived. So here are the goodies that I have. I have some jackets, trousers. So yeah, chakuzitoa nje. Nje ni huko.
Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. Now I'm focusing on all my breathing, floating on this feeling, burning sage. I just need one conversation, boy, you owe me that. 'Cause you've got a gravitational pull. Oh, and I feel it from deep within your soul. No matter what I do, can't stay away from you. 'Cause you've got a gravitational pull. Gravitational.
Nishafanya kila kitu, so this is my look of the day. Let me show you. Sijui kama mtaona vizuri. Yes. I have a white skirt, a blouse, black. I'm out. Kanisa imeisha. Yes, now let me go home. It looks like it wants to rain. I just hurry up and go home. This place is beautiful with these trees. It's beautiful. You see, it looks like it's gonna rain any time from now.
Yeah, you caught me in your orbit. A brand new solar system's forming.
Wow. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Najua mnashangaa kwani rada. Nishafika home, hata ni lunch nakula. It's almost 3:30 na ndo nakula lunch. Nimefika, nika change nguo za kanisa, sasa nikavaa za kukaa nyumbani na kukaa kwa nyumba. As for me, I have clothes za kila mahali. Niko na za kwenda job, niko na za church, niko na yani everywhere I'm going. Nguo za church says in another job. How? That's how I was taught by my mom. You have to be responsible. You have to be a responsible woman, a responsible mother. Yes. So ni lunch na kula. Sijamaliza, nimeona nikuje nifunge hii video before kukuwe na giza. Unaona hata nywele nishatoanisha. Before kuwe na giza, because the lighting, I don't have a ring light. That's why na follow nafanyanga most of the video mtakuwa mnaziona introduction na outro, mtakuwa mnazionea hii location ya kitchen because it is the only place that I can have a good lighting. Yes, na pia sitting. Yeah, but we thank God for everything. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Ukimaliza tu kuwatch hii video, enda tu subscribe. Imagine it costs you nothing, just kusubscribe peke yake. Road to 300 subscribers as I am recording this video. Maybe by the time nitakuwa na post, akuwa tushafika, you never know. So bye bye guys, that's my weekend routine.